Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can either press the lower button or tap on the screen to do it, like that. Then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. Here you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of the watch faces, find the one you like and simply tap on it to apply it. Like this. You can also customize some of them. As you can see, some of them have the settings icon below. So let's, for example, tap on the settings icon right here. And here we can change the background. And once you're done, just tap on it to apply it, like that. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. So let's take our phone right here. Open the Wear OS app on our phone. Here we have watch faces. You can select from here or you can tap on more. And here you have the list of watch faces. To apply one, simply tap on it. I tapped by mistake. You can just do it by tapping like this. Or like that. You can also tap on the more options icon next to the watch face and tap on set on watch to apply it on your watch, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.